back to Autohaus of Naples. I'm Victoria, and this is a 1947 Ford F100 short bed pickup, professionally transformed from a working farm truck into a flathead-powered hot rod. Starts right up. Exteriors finished in teal blue metallic with fresh chrome trim, wood grain bed panels, and period-correct American Racing Torque thrust wheels. Clean stance, classic proportions, and a timeless color combination. And take a look inside, it has red vinyl. Simple, functional, and true to the street machine style. A 3-spoke steering wheel sits in front of a full AutoMeter gauge suite. Oil pressure, water temperature, voltage, fuel level, and a 120 mile/hour speedometer. There's also a column-mounted AutoMeter tachometer, and the seatbelts are installed. Under the hood is a 239 cubic inch Flathead V8. It's been upgraded with an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor and runs true dual exhaust with cherry bomb mufflers, classic flathead tone, and clean presentation. And my favorite part about this truck is the bed. So it just literally pulls right out, and it has these little chains to hold it up. And I love this upgraded wood bed. This is the perfect pumpkin picking truck. For more info on this 1947 F100, go to autohausfl.com, where we offer financing and shipping worldwide. And now we're going to start her up. So this is where you turn it on. I was looking by the steering wheel. Starts right up. And look how small the gas pedal is. So small. It's not stock, it's not radical. It's not stock, it's not radical. It's a thoughtfully... It's not stock, it's not radical. It's a thoughtfully built Ford... It's not stock, it's not radical. It's a thoughtfully upgraded 1947 F100 built to be driven and enjoyed. Info on this 1947 Ford F100 or any of our cool cars in our inventory, go to autohausfl.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss any of these cool cars coming into our lot every single week. I'll see you in the next one.